How to invest your money in your 20s. That's a question that was asked in our YouTube page. How to invest your money in your 20s. Now, if you ask me, the first thing that I would do if I was in my 20s is, number one, guys, don't invest initially on, let's say, on a business. Don't invest in terms of owning a franchise, a small business, or something that you're passionate about. Don't. The first thing that you need to invest in is you need to invest on yourself. Now, in terms of investing on yourself, there's a lot of things which you can do. Number one, you can enroll in an MBA or a masteral class to increase your career, or in terms of, let's say, how you can become more educated on managing your finance, business, etc., etc. Because there's different kinds of MBA for business or Masteral for Entrepreneurs. Now, if you tell me, hey Mark, I have limited funds, I don't have that kind of money to invest on an MBA. Now, a second opinion that you can do would be, like on my end, I didn't have the funds when I was in 20s, is I maximize social media like Facebook, especially in YouTube and Google. You get a lot of resources there in terms of how you can improve your skills on a day-to-day basis. If, let's say, you want to be an entrepreneur, I normally read or listen to a lot of different entrepreneur videos or even books which I buy online at a minimal cost to give me guidance in terms of learning what are the things I know or what are the things I need to know to be prepared in the future if I do want to invest or start my own business. So if you ask me, the first thing that you need to invest on if you're in the early 20s or in 20s would be you need to invest on yourself. If you have the same comment or experience or same thoughts that I do, comment below. Please continue to subscribe and like our channel so that I'm able to continue to help you out in terms of sales, business, and marketing. Be great, guys.